This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about shopping bags, specifically these glossy shopping bags that come in two colors, both black and white, and they come in 5 sizes, giving you a lot of great options if you're looking for a high-end packaging option for your customers to take away your goods. So they come in extra small, small, medium, large, and extra large. They're made from a really strong, sturdy, high gloss paper. You can see that shine. And they come flat and pop out easily. They also have a nice piece of extra cardboard, a nice thin little piece down at the bottom to help reinforce those bottoms. So if you're looking to use something nice and luxe and pretty for, say, takeout options where you're putting several heavier objects in it, these are a nice touch. They also have a beautiful little handle there. It's a nice rope one, little piece of cord. It's nice and soft and has a great feel to it, so they're easy to carry, which is fantastic. The 5 sizes are going to give you lots of great options in terms of what you're packing up. I love the extra smalls for cute things you maybe want to prep for holidays at a bakery. If you've got some small items you want to move and you want to pack up some cute, attractive little gifts to help sales, or wrap up things like gift cards with a little tissue so that they're easy takeaways for your customer. The smalls, mediums, are fantastic for small gift items or for use as gift bags. A lot of occasions like weddings or bridal showers and anything like that, you might want to give away small party favors, small gift bags, or do things like bags for out-of-town guests in the hotel to leave in the rooms. And you've got some fantastic size options for there as well. The large is going to be a great one if you're doing anything that involves bottles, like say wine or some fancy finishing oils or anything of that nature, because it's a nice vertical tall bag, and also it's got that nice heavy construction. And I love the extra large and the medium and the large actually for takeout options, since you'll be able to fit several small containers in there. It's a great way to pack up takeout or to-go orders, or even to pack up a nice lunch, say if you're having a corporate meeting, and something that just has a little bit more finesse, a little more polish to it. It's kind of a step up from your typical paper bag. So the lovely, strong, high-quality paper is just a fantastic way to add that extra little bit of charm and really show off your products and really help show off your brand. Those reinforced bottoms are going to make them nice and sturdy, even if you're putting heavy things in them. And the fact that they come flat packed is going to be a space saver for when you're storing them. It's really easy because of the colors to go with a lot of different color schemes and themes, whether you're looking for a retail packaging solution or if you're looking for something to go with an event or some festivities. And they're really easy to do some branding with just by putting a sticker on there. So they're a great option for high-end bakeries, patisseries, or restaurants looking for that attractive yet functional packaging, or for people planning events and looking for options for gift bags, parties, fundraisers, or promotions.